Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, The Hungry Young Man. Today we will be learning how to make Palak Pakoda. Into a bowl add palak and baking soda. Add salt per taste. Add red chili powder and turmeric powder. Add crushed coriander seed. Add ginger, garlic and chili paste. Add sliced onions. Add gram flour and mix them well. Add water and mix them well. Once the mixture are well combined, deep fry them in oil. Make sure to fry them in small batches. And now our Palak Pakoda is ready. This is a good snack in rainy season. Please leave a like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, press the red button and the bell icon for notifications. Do follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Our handle names are given on the screen. Signing out for now. Stay safe, stay healthy.